fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Please do not forget to subscribe before you guys leave. If you guys enjoy the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. If you guys have not noticed yet, I have got some new lighting and it looks super good. It makes my I look so crisp and like professional. I have a light to the side of me, a light to the other side of me, and I also have a hair light up above. Excuse me. And I also have a hair light up above on top of me, so I think it looks really good. Makes the background look really nice and just kind of crisp and just makes everything tie together. I'm super excited to start filming with some better lighting, and yeah. If you guys are excited to see this makeup look I have going on today, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so to go ahead and start off this makeup look, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. I'm using this basically as a primer or like a moisturizer just to start off with, just to get a good base. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply this Maybelline foundation. I always apply my foundation with a sponge and my concealer. That's just how I like to do it. I just feel like that's the best way to apply, and it does not get all streaky or anything, and you're not getting the mess on your fingers. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going underneath my eyes and a little bit on some breakouts that I have at the moment. And I'm going to buff this in with the same exact sponge. And then with that sponge, I'm also going to take Air Spun Loose Powder underneath my eyes to set the concealer. And I'm just going to take that same powder and set my forehead. I've been doing this because I've been getting pretty oily. So this should help absorb some of the oil throughout the day. And I'm also going to set my entire face with this MAC face powder. And I'm using my big Morphe brush to do so. I'll probably link all the brushes in the descriptions just so you guys know what I'm using. This next one is also a Morphe brush. And I'm just bronzing. And after bronzing, I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of blush from that same palette here. Also a Morphe brush. I'm so sorry, guys. They're just really affordable and the quality is amazing, so I just don't see why not. But yeah, I'm just going to apply some blush above that bronzer. And on top of that blush, I'm going to apply some highlighter. This is the Milani highlighter. It will be in the description which one it is. But I've also been using Milani's brush the past few days, up to a week or so. And I've been really liking it. It does pick up a lot of products, so you have to be careful on picking up too much. But I think it literally is so stunning. So I just use it to apply everywhere pretty much. On my nose, my lips, chin, but that's about it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Chocolate. And then I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes before I start my eyeshadow. I always use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my eyes. Sometimes I use concealer, but this is nice when you want it to last a little bit longer or you have an event to go to. So I'm just going to prime with this, and I'm going to set the concealer, or not concealer, set the paint pot with a nude shadow here, and I'm just going to apply that right on top. This just creates a nice base, like I've always mentioned in all my videos. It just helps your eyeshadows blend a crap ton better and doesn't make them pretty splotchy or anything. It just gives them a really nice soft look. So I love that about that. And I'm just going to pick up this shade from the palette and just do it in circular and windshield wiper motions until I get the desired color that I want. But I basically do this every single day. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this darker shade here in the corner, and I'm going to apply this directly in the outer corner. And I like to smoke this towards my inner corner of my eye. And same exact Same exact thing, I'm just doing windshield wiper motions and circular motions. I just find that this blends my shadows really well. And then I'm just taking a bigger, fluffier brush and I'm just going to soften the edges so it's not so harsh. And I'm taking this pink shimmery shade and I always apply them with my finger. I love applying shimmers with my finger. That's just me. Especially if I'm in a rush, it's just fast and easy. Then I'm going to pop on some Ardell Double Up Falsies, and it makes a world of a difference when you have fake lashes on. It's crazy. It makes you look like a whole new woman. Crazy. But all I just did was highlight the inner corner of my eyes just a tad bit. Then I'm just using this Milani lip pencil in Old Spice, I believe it's called. And then I'm using some NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick on top, and it just is a beautiful combination. And that's pretty much it. And that is pretty much it for today's video. That is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I said before, do not forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!